Today I'm going to take you inside the Great Channels of Virginia. They're a stunning maze of sandstone boulders and crevices that are a lot of fun to explore. They're just a 20-minute drive from Abingdon, Virginia, home of the Virginia Creeper Trail and the famous Barter Theater. There's nothing else like these slot canyons east of Utah. When you visit, try to arrive early as there's only 10 parking spots. When we visited, the lot was full, but a ranger told us about extra parking down the street. The hike to the channels is a 3-mile trek on a well-maintained trail with a gentle incline. It's clearly marked so you'll never lose your way. After a 3-mile hike, you'll reach the scenic abandoned fire tower. It means you're at the entrance of the Great Channels of Virginia. Here's an aerial view of this 20-acre labyrinth of sandstone. Some of the crevices are 30 to 40 feet deep. You'll want to plan plenty of time to explore this wonderland. It'll be like nothing you've ever seen. I'd suggest bringing plenty of water and a picnic. My husband brought a headlamp so he could look for salamanders in the dark crevices. And as you can see, he found them. On the first mile of the hike, there are a few cabins you can rent. This would make your hike shorter. Or you could stay 20 minutes away in Abingdon, Virginia, at the Martha Washington Inn or this trendy Airbnb called the Hippie Pad. After you visit the channels, cool off in the Falls of Logan Creek. It's just off Highway 80 in between the channels and Abingdon. And if you like this content, don't forget to like and subscribe for more trippy travels to hidden gems. Thanks for watching.